Hey y'all, I'm Dawn and welcome to Designs by Gaddis. If you love farmhouse decor on a budget, be sure to subscribe. Today I have a few more high-end farmhouse decor DIYs just for you. Now for the first DIY. Today I've got an adorable and budget-friendly project that I couldn't resist sharing with you. I recently stumbled upon this charming chalkboard on a stand at Hobby Lobby, and I thought, why not make one for myself? So that's exactly what I did. Begin by removing the back from your Dollar Tree chalkboard. It should come off pretty easily. Now take your tape measure and find the center on the back of the chalkboard. Use your square to draw a straight line down the center. Next, grab your trusty hot glue gun and run a bead of hot glue down that line you just drew. Now, carefully lay a wooden skewer into the glue. This will serve as the stand for our cute chalkboard. Now, here's where we get creative. I didn't have any large square beads like the original, so I improvised. I placed 5 beads, 2 measuring 12 millimeters, 1 at 18 millimeters, and then 2 more 12 millimeter beads. To give our chalkboard stand stability, I put this small piece of wood at the bottom of the beads, which will help us determine how long to cut the skewer. Moving on, let's find the center of our wooden block and mark it with a pencil. Grab a drill bit about the same size as your skewer and drill a hole right through the wood block. Make sure it's a snug fit. To give our project a polished look, use some sandpaper to smooth out the edges of the wooden block. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference in the final result. Now, let's bring everything together. Fill that little hole in the wooden block with hot glue and insert the end of the skewer. This will provide a sturdy foundation for our chalkboard. To add a touch of charm, tie a cute little twine bow at the base of the chalkboard. And just look at how stinking cute it's turning out to be. Now, here's where you can really make it your own. I used my Cricut to cut out this adorable saying that I thought was perfect for this project. You can customize yours with your favorite quotes, designs, or messages. And there you have it, folks, our Hobby Lobby duped Dollar Tree chalkboard stand. It's affordable, it's charming, and it's a great way to add a little personality to your home decor. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more creative projects. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy crafting. I recently stumbled upon this gorgeous Hobby Lobby find, and I thought, why not recreate it with just a couple of Dollar Tree boards? And guess what? It turned out amazing. So let's dive right into this fun and budget-friendly project. Step 1. I removed the twine from the top of the boards. It's important to start with a clean slate, right? Now, grab that Dollar Tree wood glue and a toothpick. I use these to attach the boards together. This will be the foundation of our project. To ensure our boards stay put, while the glue sets up, I hot glued a couple of large craft sticks to the back. It's a simple but effective trick. Time to make these boards pop. I went ahead and stained the front of the boards using some Bayer water-based stain. This step really brings out the character of the wood. Now, let's talk about the pockets. I found this amazing Dollar Tree folks leather in 3 beautiful colors: white, brown, and black. For this project, I decided to go with the rich brown to make the pockets stand out at the top. I used hot glue on the back, keeping the bottom tight and the top loose. It gives it that stylish dimensional look. On the bottom front, I used this incredible E6000 repositionable glue that I found on Amazon. I'll leave a link for it in the description below. Seriously, guys, this stuff is a game changer in crafting. For that extra touch, I used silver thumbtacks on the bottom and sides of the pockets. They not only look great, but also help to hold the pockets out. If they're too long, just grab some wire cutters and trim them down. There you have it, folks. A stunning recreation of a Hobby Lobby find using just a couple of Dollar Tree boards. It's amazing what you can create on a budget, isn't it? Today, I've got a fantastic project for you that combines creativity and technology. We're going to be laser engraving a beautiful wooden tag from scratch. You won't believe how simple and stunning the end result is. So let's dive right in. To get started, I knew I had some scrap wood lying around, and with my X-Tool laser engraver, I just had to try it out. First, I positioned the wood under the laser and adjusted the laser's distance using the kickstand and the lever, ensuring it was at the perfect height. Then, I moved the laser module back to the home position for a clean start. Next, I fired up Lightburn and created a box the same size as my scrap wood, converting it to a tool layer. I added the text, played around with fonts until I was satisfied, and aligned everything just the way I wanted it to appear on the wood. I converted the layer to a cut layer and configured the speed, power, and number of passes for the engraving. With all the settings in place, I sent the cut to the laser and got the wood in position. Watch as the laser works its magic. Now that the engraving is finished, it's time for the fun part, finishing touches. I started by using an old toothbrush to gently remove the loose charred pieces from the wood. For those stubborn bits, this little scraping tool works wonders. To give it that rustic look, I mixed some water with white chalk paint and applied it to the tag, then wiped everything down with a baby wipe. To make the words pop, I carefully painted over them with white chalk paint and a small brush. For that extra charm, I distressed the tag using a fan brush and more white chalk paint. Time to finish it up. I drilled a hole at the top of the tag and added some Dollar Tree wood beads. I was thrilled to find round and square beads at my local Dollar Tree. I couldn't resist buying them all. To protect the tag and beads, I applied a coat of Jolie finishing wax and just look at this stinking sweet result. And there you have it, folks. Our laser engraved wood tag is complete. Thanks for joining me on this crafty journey today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another creative adventure. Until next time, keep crafting and keep smiling.